Finding a roommate. Does she wakes up early? Yes, she wakes up early. Does she likes to go to the movies? Yes, she likes to go to the movies. Does she enjoy reading a book? Yes, she enjoys reading a book. Where does she going on Sunday? She is going to run to the park on Sunday. When does she visit the museum? Will visit the museum next week. Why does she love cats? She loves cats because she likes their purr. What time does she go to the supermarket? She goes in the afternoon at 5 p.m. to the supermarket. When does she goes to the park? She will go to the park on Sunday. With us, she drinks water. She drinks water after running. When does she go swimming? She will go swimming on the weekend. First, Susie gets up at 6 a.m. After Susie does a 13 minutes meditation. Then Susie takes a shower. After, Susie gives food to her cat. Later, Susie have breakfast and listen to music. Later, Susie goes to school. Finally, Susie comes home to eat. Thank you.